Yeah guys, I make some breakfast this morning. You see it up on the counter, bread, egg, it's what I want. So the oil are hot. What am I gonna do now? I go put in some plantain, make it go and fry. And my bread, I go toast the bread. So guys, you go see my breakfast this morning. So watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah. Big up on yourself too, on that one. Yeah guys, so I go put in plantain, make it go and fry. Yeah guys, some fried plantain and bread and very whole heap of things in the kitchen this morning. You understand all this? So watch the video and see what I go on. And tell me what you like about my breakfast. Drop a comment and tell me what you like about my breakfast this morning. Yeah guys, so the plant them fry smells sweet. Yeah, some fried plantain and toast bread. Toast not toasted bread this morning guys. Toast bread and fried plantain. The guys, the plant them a catch color now, so I don't know where madness go. Yeah, so guys, just watch the video and see what I go on in the kitchen, right? Yeah guys, like now fry up. I see that. Start catch the color when I want. Yeah, you know, don't know everything set up. Yeah guys, fry up some plantain this morning. Guys, I go see the finishing look here, so just stay tuned and see what I go on in the kitchen. You see it look, yeah, I don't want it browner than this. This good for me. You understand how these, yeah. So guys, just watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I take out the plant them now. Yeah. Take out the plant them. Then I go fry up. Yeah guys, so what I go on over here so now. And guys, you don't have to fry this, right? You don't have to fry it, but I like when it fry. Believe me. You do not have to fry it, but I like when it fry, guys. Believe me. Yeah, guys, that's what I go on in I pot this morning. Yeah, you don't know. Don't know about this already. Yeah, guys, just stay tuned. And you're going to see the finishing look. Yeah. Yeah, guys, look what I go on over here. So now, see that, guys? Look good, not true? Right, that's not tell about. So, watch what I go on to see the finishing look. Yeah. Guys, so I have two more pieces. After this, I'm going to fry the egg. And then I go deal with the bread and I see what I go on. Yeah. Yeah guys, so see me egg a fry. Egg a fry up, you know. Don't know the thing set up. But me nah no black pepper, my black pepper finish, so me nah go put no black pepper for me egg today. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. Guys, look for me egg now. You see me egg? Yeah. I go take it out soon from now. I go take it out now, so don't know about this, go. Yeah guys, so I go put in bread to toast. See that guys? Okay guys, the bread in there toast, you see it? Yeah. Yeah guys, so this are the finishing look on the breakfast. Yeah. You don't know badness go already. So guys, see you in our next video. And when you drop a comment and tell me what you think about this breakfast this morning. Bye.